Here is a Samsung Galaxy A53. I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset. You want a factory reset basically if you want to start back over with a clean slate or if you want to resell it. So let's go ahead and factory reset this phone. So the first thing is we're going to go to your settings here. So go to your settings. Mine's right here. So let's tap on that right there. And then from here, let's go to scroll down till you see General Management. General Management is right here. Okay, so we're going to tap on that right there. And now we're just going to go ahead and scroll down until you see Reset. Tap on Reset. And now we have right here Factory Data Reset. Reset your phone to factory default settings. This will erase all data, including files and downloaded apps. Okay, so we're going to click on Factory Data Reset. Now you can read through this. All data will be erased from your phone, including your Google account, system, app data, and so on. Now this is very important down here. You can see down here it says you are currently signed to the following account. So this is my Gmail address. Now the thing is, I have this Gmail address linked to my email app. So if I just go all the way, scroll all the way down, and I tap on Reset, it'll do the factory reset. But the thing is, because I have that Gmail address synced to this phone, once I click on factory reset, and then once I go through the setup process, eventually it's going to ask me for that Gmail address with the associated password. Okay, so if you're going to sell this phone, you guys need to delete any Gmail accounts that you have on there. If not, then the person you sell it to will try to do the setup, and eventually it'll get to a point where they have to input their Gmail account. Okay, also if you're just doing a factory reset just to have a clean slate for yourself, you may want to delete the Gmail address too, just in case if you don't remember what password you had synced to it or whatnot. Okay, but let's go ahead and do this. Let's say you want to go ahead and just delete the Gmail address. Maybe you guys are selling it, or maybe you don't want to have to remember your password when you set it up again. Okay, so what we're going to do is delete that email address first. So we're going to go back. We're going to go all the way to the settings here again. Okay, so we're in the settings here. So let's go ahead and delete that Gmail address. So we're going to go ahead and scroll down until we see Google Services or Google. Okay, so it says Google here, and under it says Google Services. So let's tap on that right there. Now here's my my Gmail address is associated with this phone. So let's tap on this right arrow right there. And then from here, we're going to tap on Manage Accounts on this device right down here. Let's tap on that. And again, here's my Gmail address. So we're going to tap on that right there. Now we're going to tap on Remove Account. Remove Account. Tap down here again, Remove Account. Are you sure device protection features will no longer work? So I'm going to click on OK. All right, and now I need to confirm here. Let me just put my fingerprint. Okay, so that Gmail address is gone. So let me go back. And then from here, under settings again, now we're going to go back to General Management. So go ahead and scroll down, General Management, and then we're going to go back to Reset. And then we're going to go to Factory Data Reset. And now you can see that Gmail address is no longer in here. Okay, so I'm good to go. So let's go ahead and scroll all the way down, and let's factory reset this right now. Let me put in my password. And I'm going to click on Done right there, and we're going to do the factory reset. Okay, so it says Factory Data Reset. All your personal information and downloaded apps will be erased and cannot be recovered. Okay, so if you have anything important on there, back it up before you do this. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and proceed here. We're going to go delete all, shutting down, and then this whole process is going to take about 2-3 minutes. So just be patient here. It's booting back up. Now it says erasing. It's going to stay here for a little bit. Okay, and there we go. Okay, so we're on the setup screen right now. I deleted my Gmail account, so I can sell this phone right now as is, or I can just start back with a fresh, clean slate. Okay, there you guys go. Any questions or issues, just comment below. Good luck, guys. Bye.